I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a Shopify account on the free trial so you can build without paying. Choose a simple, free theme and keep the trial domain for now. This prevents early costs. Next, connect a print-on-demand or dropship app that offers free onboarding because you won't buy inventory. Once done, add 5-10 test products with clear images and concise descriptions. Make sure payment settings are ready so you can accept orders when you pick a plan. You now focus on conversion and traffic. Optimize each product title, meta description, and use 3 to 5 tags to improve search discovery. Set clear pricing that covers fees and expected profit. Calculate margins before publishing. Next, leverage free promotion. Post short videos, organic posts, and reach out to micro-influencers for product swaps or commissions. Once an item proves demand, scale carefully with low-budget ads. This reduces risk and makes your first paid spend strategic. You finish by automating order flows and monitoring performance. Connect your fulfillment app to handle printing, packing, or dropship automatically so orders don't stall. Track margins, refunds, and customer feedback weekly to spot issues early. This keeps cash flow positive. If conversions are low, run a simple /b. Change images, tighten copy, and shorten checkout steps. One key troubleshooting tip: if orders fail or apps disconnect, reconnect API keys and check billing settings before contacting support to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.